cambiamos la posición. No, no, entre el baile.
Okay.
Estamos bailando.
We mark this, back 8. Then I made the sandwich. She goes back. I change the front, and from here I lead her one side step. Do you see this side step? After that, I lead her one forward. I go with my lapis, side. She go back, and when go back, I make pivots to lead her one parada. She pass 6, 7, 8.
The synchro that we use it is the same that we use in traditional tango. Okay? So we are teaching you the things that we use in traditional tango. So if we watch in the front. So as we say at the beginning of the lesson, we ladies, we are the other part of the circle. So it's important that you engage your embrace too. So from here, if you see we do pivot, and then I wait for him till he invites me with the projection of his body. Going to the back, to the side, to forward, we pivot together. And we finish. So it's exactly the same timing that we use for the traditional tango in front of the other. See?
Tick, 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 tick. This. Understand? Okay, muchísimas. Abbiamo detto un noto in avanti,